So brainstem reflexes and the pathways tested. So pupillary light reflex. So what we are testing is cranial nerve 2 and the cranial nerve 3. Via the cranial nerve 2, it reaches to pretectal nucleus and reaches to EW, Edinger-Westphal nucleus in the midbrain, and through the parasympathetic innervation via the third nerve, it constricts the eyes. So pupillary light reflex is testing the cranial nerve 2 and cranial nerve 3, and essentially we are testing the midbrain. Then corneal reflex. Via the cranial nerve 5, it is taking the sensory signal, and via the cranial nerve 7, it is bringing the signal back and blinking the eye. So we are testing the pons, because both these nuclei are located at the pons. So corneal reflex is testing the pons. Oculocephalic reflex and oculovestibular reflex. The pathway is same for both of them. Via the 8th nerve, when we stimulate either one movement of the head or via the cold calorie test, via the 8th nerve, you can see here, they take signal through parapontine reticular formation and the median longitudinal fascicle to the cranial nerve 6 and cranial nerve 3. So because 8 and 6 are located in the pons, we have tested the pons, and third is located in the midbrain, so we have tested the midbrains. So oculocephalic reflex and oculovestibular reflex both are testing the same nerves. 8, 3 and 6. 6 and 8 are located in the pons, and third is in the midbrain. So these are two are testing the pons and a portion of the midbrain. Gag reflex. It is taken, sensory portion is taken by the 9th, and motor function is taken by the 10th. So it is testing the medulla, because both of them are testing in they are in the medulla. So gag reflex is checked by the cranial nerve 9 and 10, and we are testing the medulla. Cough reflex is only by the 10 now. Both the sensation and cough is mediated by the cough reflex, and because the various nerves are involved, so majority we have tested the medulla. Some portion is in the pons, but essentially cough reflex is testing the medullary component of it. So it is, so pupillary light reflex 2nd and 3rd, corneal reflex 5 and 7, oculocephalic and oculovestibular 8th, 6th and 3rd, gag 9, 10, and cough 10.